Let's make kale and sweet potato salad with pumpkin seeds. The recipe is in the description box below. Place the diced sweet potatoes on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Drizzle them with olive oil, then add smoked paprika, cumin, salt and pepper and toss well. Roast the sweet potatoes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, turning them halfway through. Place the chopped kale in a large bowl, drizzle it with olive oil and add a pinch of salt. Then massage the kale leaves gently with your hands for 1 to 2 minutes. Whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, mustard, optional maple syrup, salt and pepper in a small bowl. Add the roasted sweet potatoes, sliced red onion and pumpkin seeds to the kale. Then pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Enjoy immediately or store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days.